Hey everybody, Carl Ellwein here, Ellwein Engines. Slideshow today, the work I've been doing recently. This is the Lingenfelder 383 is what I'm calling it. It's ERE-112. It's a rebuild. And the customer had basically put his blower on with an all-natural setup, and sometimes you'll melt the pistons. So anyway, it's a rebuild to get some fresh pistons in. The heads are 61 cc's. Ordered that diamond piston, very robust lateral gas ports, nice dish for a blower. This gives us about 8.7 to 1 compression ratio, which actually was a mistake on my part. That turned out to be too low. We wanted to get it around 9.4. So anyway, these are refresh pictures of what I had done in the past. Got a camshaft from Dennis Staff and the 1.2 millimeter total seal rings. Put them on the pistons, filed and gapped for blower for forced induction. Assembling the motor, getting everything on it, even pre-fitting the torque head system and getting that damper on there with the 24X ring, and CC'd the heads again to verify what they were. They're 61 cc's, which means at this point is when I realized I need to get new pistons. So picture showing that I put the heads on and worked with the rockers to see they just don't really line up with the tips with the current guides. So I put those Manley guides on, and it lines up the rocker tips better, not exactly perfect, but a lot better. Those are the rockers that came with the motor, a real nice set of 1/6 rockers, and then this is the new piston with less dome volume, and so the pictures are a little bit out of sequence. So today Zach came over, my tuning partner, and we took the heads off, and basically we're going to tear it down to get the rod's pistons out, swap the pistons, and the crankshaft needs to go out for a balance, and then we'll put everything back together, get this thing to the dyno. There's the rod piston combo. Look at those couple sets of AR-fire heads there, huh? And there's Zach helping me out there, moving all my junk away from the engine build room that I had stored because of this clutter and the solar installation that I've been doing. There's a big old $10,000 battery that's going to go in that one spot right there. It hasn't showed up yet. Anyway, this is Carl Ellwein, Ellwein Engines. Take care.